Very good morning and welcome to one and all. With the blessings of Almighty, today we are there over here for our online series lecture, Mathematics and Statistics. Very important and statistical topic which we were discussing. That only we are going to continue by today. The topic is which is related over here is bivariate frequency distributions and chi-square test statistics. Now, frequency distribution statistics is basically based on certain criteria, that is plotting a table and getting the bivariate frequency distribution. Already we have started in a previous lecture itself, but today we are going to construct a new sub part and we are going to go ahead for this. So I think we can start ahead and go ahead with the same concepts. Construct a bivariate frequency distribution table of the marks obtained by the students in statistics, that is X and English Y. So first of all, statistics which is related to the X and English which will be conducting, that will be related to the Y. So we have the two factors over here. First factor over here we have the X. Second factor which I have over here will be Y. So whatever the table will be constructed or the table which is being given to us, that will be divided, or that is divided into the two parts, that is X part as well as the Y part. X part which is indicating the statistics subject and Y part which is indicating the English subject. These are the subjects which is being required by us and which we are going to follow for ourselves. So this is somewhat which is going to be a part over here, which would be very crucial but which is very important. The values of certain X are given 37, 20, 46 and so and so. And values of Y is also being given to us. So along with this values of X and Y, we are going to construct the table. What it has been given to us, construct a bivariate frequency distribution table, FDT, for above data taking the class intervals, that is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and so and so. Both the axes, that is X and Y with us. Also we need to find out the marginal distribution and conditional frequency distribution table of Y when X is equals to, that is X lies between 30 to 40. Now what we will do it, constructing the data from 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 intends when there is a continuous class 20 to 30, 30 to 40. In that case, in a first class, we are going to take the value till 20 to 29. Secondly, we have 30 to 40. So 30 to 40, we will go with the class that is 30 to 39. Next, we have 40 to 49. To 49 and so and so. Okay. So whenever there is a continuous class, we are not going to take that values in a sequence or in that sequential form. We are going to change the sequence of that form. Changing the sequence of a form means getting the data in an array or a way where the data is being converted in a systematic manner. That conversion of data in a systematic manner works over here. Okay. So coming towards the work in a systematic manner or somewhere which is being related to the conceptual base. So in this way, we are going to plot all the factorial concepts in our working system. So that all the parts works over here and will get good returns for our valuable paste. Coming towards the topic. With the solution, I hope the concept is clear how to get converted and what are the factors how we can do it. So here I have that is x marks in statistics. Minimum x is 20, maximum we have 48. Classes we need to take 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So we shall take x after first row, y after the along with the first code. So I am taking x and y over here. The pairs which we get over here is 37 to 30 and the marked cell here we have 2 2. Proceeding similarly, we obtain the bivariate frequency distribution table. Now here this represents the x and this represents the y. After getting the values of x and y, class already they have asked us to calculate in a systematic manner. So already I know the class over here 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. This are my class variants. Same way over here. So the value which is being 20 to 30 we are getting 2. So 2 frequency, again 2, 2 frequency, 1 frequency. So calculate the frequency bar over here. After calculating the frequency bar, add the summation. This will be 5, 7, 4 and totally which we get over here that is 60. Same way over here 30 to 40 meters 3, 2, again 2 it is 7. 50 to 51, 2, 1, 1. Total we are getting 5, 5, 7 and 4. So these are the ways in which we are able to calculate the things. Now for original distribution, so what we will do it, we'll write down the class over here and total of the x values, that is column wise. Okay. And only they have asked us to calculate the distribution of y. So column wise we will go, row wise. So row wise we will getting the value 5, 7, 4. See, you have to understand when they are asking us to calculate the x and when they are calculating, they are asking us to calculate the y. So x and y, whenever we calculate out, we need to find out the values. And in such a manner, we are going to work on this. So many of these concepts works in a systematic manner, or we can say that something which is being very virtually accepted. The virtual acceptance of the things comes over here with the variance. And the systematic manner of the table taken. Secondly, we have the conditional frequency distribution table, that is of y when x is lies between 30 to 40. मतलब y का वैल्यू और x का वैल्यू कब तक लेना है, जब उसका वैल्यू 30 to 40 है तो ही. 30 to 40 के बाहर है या ऊपर नीचे है तब उस वक्त हम लोग उसका वो वैल्यूज को कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग द वैल्यूज बिटवीन 30 to 40. It is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And the total exactly what we gets over here. The frequency is 2, 2 and 1, which is equals to 5. So this is the way in which we can plot the frequency distribution table and marginal frequency distribution table. Both type of frequency distribution table can be plotted in such a manner, and we could get the best value possible in our data analysis. I hope now the concept is very much clear to you. No more doubts to anyone. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.